The right excellent Sir Garfield Sobers is known globally for his cricketing excellence. His statue is here at Kensington Oval as an expression of the greatness that he would have shown all across the fields across the world. From the BCL to the West Indies team, this wonderful son of Barbadian soil has shown us how we should strive for excellence in every endeavor.
My most memorable moments with Sir Gary were never a cricket field. I wasn't nowhere near that standard. But what I loved is touring with him, how he was always so generous and kind and witty, humorous. And when we go to dinner, he would always give me anything green on his plate. He would say, "Come, rabbit," because you know you like a rabbit eating all this lettuce and all of these green things. And I stopped eating them things when the time I became an adult, because my mom always used to force me to eat it, and I never did like them. So, "Come, rabbit, let me green things."
Being part of the Sobers family has been a pure joy for me. Some people have famous family and see it as a hindrance, but I see it as a benefit. My father is a very gracious and generous individual. He's a man of the people. Despite anywhere he goes, could be from Buckingham Palace to Baxter's Road, he treats everybody with the same due respect. And what my father's taught me about family is being able to support your family, be caring towards your family, be a little firm when needed, but ultimately being part of the Sobers family has been a blessing. And also living in Barbados and having that close-knit community has been excellent.
The achievements of Sir Garfield Sobers have inspired many generations of Barbadian cricketers. His name is known across the world, and he's widely regarded as a symbol of cricketing excellence. His record test score of 365 not out stood for 36 years. And when you hear about other great players speaking of him, they speak of his vast knowledge of the game, his swagger, and generally they speak of him as the greatest cricketer they have known. Sir Garfield Sobers, Barbados national hero and a treasured and truly loved son of the soil.
Sir Gary has been the shining light of Barbados and West Indies cricket, recognized all over the world. Sir Gary has been a lover of Barbados cricket, a lover of cricket, a lover of the BCA, has never wavered or spared any time not being part of Barbados cricket. He was a true servant of Barbados cricket, and we know that he extended that to cricket West Indies, and wherever he went and he was called upon for cricket, he would respond.
International cricket is challenging, and you were the best test all-rounder to do it. I mean, some of your feats still stand today, some of your records still stand, and you inspired a lot of youngsters to want to play the game.
I am here at North Stars Cricket down in St. Lucie, where I was born, to give this interview about the genius that he calls Sir Garfield Sobers. And it is a pleasure to do that for him, because I've never seen a cricketer like Sir Gary Sobers. He was 5 people on a team, and he could bowl back anything he could do. And therefore, when you're out there with him, you feel that you're out there with a master that can teach you and you can learn from him. I know that when you got to be in a position to bat with him, he always tell you, "I'm not going to shield you. You're a batsman, you got to stand up and bat. And if you don't bat, you got to bat." And he encourages you. He's that type of person that he feels that whatever he can do, you can do. But it's impossible. Because where he is concerned, he makes things look so easy.
You were the first cricketer to hit 6 sixes in an over, a feat that could only be equaled but not surpassed. You played the game with a West Indian flair that inspired every girl and boy. the best in the business you were, not only at being an amazing all-rounder on the field, but at being an amazing all-round human being off the field and a national hero of Barbados. Your pride and dignity and the way you represent us all will forever be cherished.
Sir Garfield Sobers, you are truly a legend.
As a former Barbados cricketer, Sir Garfield Sobers, you have always been my hero.
I never want to be in the dressing room. I always want to be on the field. And when I was on the field, I want to be able to do everything. I developed 3 different styles of bowling. I feel in the leg slit. I feel close to the wicket. I always wanted to be in the area where I had to be thinking and concentrating and working out things for myself. Because you're always in the game.
Oh, Sir Gary, this I have to say. When it comes to cricket, no one could compare with you. When you're batting, when you're bowling, when you're feeling, you, Sir Gary, is the cricket king.